Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Stan.
journey from a prominent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
Stan?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
I think we're ready to go. Hello, fellow story explorers. We just landed here in Chicago, Illinois, and we're about to meet a young author named Vihann. And he wrote this book called Brother Wars. And I think he's here now.
Whoa, he surprised me.
Oh, sorry, Vihann, come on in.
Sure.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library. All right, so Vihann, I want you to first tell our story explorers, how do you pronounce your last name?
I pronounce, like you're supposed to pronounce my last name, Mehrotra.
Mehrotra. Okay, so Vihann Mehrotra. Awesome. Well, Vihann, can you tell us your age, where you're from, and what you like to do for fun?
So I'm 10 years old and I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
Okay.
And for fun, I like to do swimming, soccer, and play video games.
Okay. Who's the best soccer player?
Messi for me.
Not Ronaldo?
Nah.
Ah, okay, I respect that. So we're gonna do three things today, Vihann. We're gonna play a game.
What game?
Oh, it's an icebreaker game. I think you're gonna like it, okay? And then we're gonna ask you some questions about your book. And then the third thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put your book into the Eternal Library.
Ooh.
How does that sound?
Nice.
Awesome.
Hey, did somebody leave the fridge open? 'Cause it's getting cold in here, which means it's time to play an icebreaker game. You know the rules. Spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, you have to do.
All right, Vihann, are you ready to spin the wheel?
Yup.
Go for it. Uh-oh, what will it be? Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, would you rather have super strength or be able to fly?
I know that I'm super strength because I can jump really high and I can do flying.
Okay, so the strength will be in your legs so you could jump really high.
Oh, I'd take any kind of legs. Weak ones, strong ones, long ones. Just give me a leg. Or two.
If I may, now that all this silliness is done, I have a few serious inquiries for Vihann. I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit more about your book. For instance, who are the main characters?
Pulling the book up now.
So it's me and my brother, Todd. He's 3 years old and there's a big age difference. I'm 10 and he's 3. Then he really dislikes watching cartoons.
And what happens throughout your book?
Me and my brother keep on fighting and then we be friends. That kind of sounds odd.
Is that the moral of the story?
Yeah, it's like you can become friends with your brother even though you fight.
Thank you for sharing, Vihann. Stanley, do you have any questions of your own?
Yeah, Cody, I do. So, Vihann, what was your inspiration for writing Brother Wars?
So I can see many people calling their brothers names and that's not the right thing to do. So I'm like when they find out when they're older, they find out their brothers or sisters are their friends.
Yeah, that's an important message because, a lot of people have siblings, whether it's a brother or a sister, and they tend to fight a lot. And I think it's important for them to know just because they fight doesn't mean they're not friends or they can't be friends. And I love how you and your brother make peace at the end of the story. Hey, Philo.
Hello, Stan. Who is this young author you have with you?
I'm Vihann Mehrotra.
Tell me, what was your favorite part of the writing process?
I like putting the adjectives and adverbs in the book,
You like grammar?
I like the adverbs and adjectives, not grammar, way too far.
Oh, I was scared there for a minute. So what was the most challenging part for you?
The challenging or the most hardest part for me was speaking out of your heart. You can't just do oh, this looks so nice, but you actually have to speak out of your heart.
Yes, make those words mean something. You've inspired me to go work on my cookie cookbook. See you later.
Bye, Philo.
Bye.
All right, Vihann, before we put your book into the Eternal Library, I want you to leave our fellow story explorers out there with some words of encouragement.
So, writing a book has ups and downs. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Even though it looks hard and these sometimes, when you're finished, you'll be proud of yourself. I guarantee you that.
I love that. You know, in life, we're going to have ups and downs. There's going to be challenges, just like writing a book. And if you keep going, if you keep persevering, you'll be proud of yourself at the end. I'm so proud of you for this book. Are you ready to put it into the Eternal Library?
Yep.
I'll let you do the honors.
Commencing literary ingestion process.
Wow. Really cool, right? Yeah, that's the Eternal Library doing its magic.
Process complete.
That's it for today, fellow story explorers. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book
Or person,
by their cover.
don't do it, or else.
The book Brother Wars is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Leap for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.